Look at me now, look at me now. Look at me, look at me, look at me now. No one can bother me, not in the slightest. I'm yelling victory, throwing your towel. I'm taking my shot and doing it well. I'm saving myself, no need for the bell. I'm giving it everything, all that I got. I'm conquering battles that rage in my thoughts. So I take one step at a time, fall into formation as I see the motivation in the eyes of my reflection. You may reap what you sow, but I'm gonna reap what I write. I put in the work and I do it a lot, cause you gonna see me when I'm at the top, ready or not.
Said I gotta go. Did it for her, my two sisters and bro. Gave up my freedom in order to grow. Sacrifice more than you ever would know. Defending the nation for foreign invasion. Got in information for the next generation. Running my duty station with that motivation. We ready for war.
Ready for war.
Regiment full of pride. Step by step marching, we in the stride. Operation training to survive. Like the hero before us that fought and died. We continue the mission from day to day. Praying to God that he make a way. Out of all the things I wanna say, sorry mama that I couldn't stay.
This one for my people, freedom fighters. Now the freedom ring like my tinnitus. Constant mortars cause the war was violent. I'm a leather neck, no bull, there was no hiding. Buffalo soldier back in the saddle. Doris Miller, I done made it splashing. Tuskegee airmen above the average. Mom for Point Marine and you don't wanna battle. Cause my only girlfriend was my assault rifle. Shot my shot and got her, then she